Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of false data revelations in China, Australia and Auckland. But first, in the US, there are growing expectations that the US Fed could launch its policy normalisation, that is a windback of QE, as early as Thursday this week. If it doesn't happen then, July is almost certain. In this action, that's selling some of its stock of securities into the market and thereby removing cash, will find financial markets not really expecting it. In China, gloomy market conditions for car sales have seen sales of cars fall for the second month in a row. They were down 2.6% in May, and that was on top of the 3.7% fall in April. And staying in China, 2 more provinces have been outed for reporting false economic data. In Japan, 4 senior management scalps have been claimed over the accounting irregularities at Fuji Xerox. These first came to light in Auckland when a whistleblower reported on the dodgy way leases were being included in their accounts, and the problem was found to be in Australia as well. The subsequent write-down has amounted to almost $500 million in overstated revenue and has been larger than first thought. In Australia, the false witnessing accusations against NAB have been growing. The accusations are that NAB financial advisors have been falsely witnessing death beneficiary forms, legally binding documents that determine who gets a person's super when they die. And after discovering the behaviour, the process for putting things right has come under scrutiny. In New York, the US 10-year yield is a little higher at 2.21%. The price of oil has very little changed today, with the US crude benchmark now just under $46.50 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just under $48.50 a barrel. The price of gold will start also unchanged at $1,266 an ounce. And the Kiwi dollar is fractionally softer today at 72 US cents. On the cross rates, we're at 95.6 Aussie cents and 64.2 Euro cents. The TWI is at 76.2. The Kiwi dollar has been in its tight range for 5 days now. On the other side of the ledger, when you went to bed last night, the price of Bitcoin hit a new all-time high record of $3,039. By the time you woke up today, however, it was down 12.6% to just $2,655. Now that is volatility. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.